In this video, I'll show you how you can disable similar account suggestions on Instagram. So if you want to stop Instagram from suggesting your account as a similar account, then this is a video you need to watch, and it should work on any device out there. So you don't want to go to the Instagram app, but you want to go to the website. So go to the browser version of Instagram and then sign into your account. Now I'm on Instagram right now, so go to your own profile and then click on Edit Profile, which is right there. So click on Edit Profile. Right here, you'll see all of your information. If you then scroll down, you'll find the similar account suggestions. Include your account when recommending similar accounts people might want to follow. Now all you need to do is click on that box and then click on Submit, and there you go. So that's all you need to do to make sure that your account won't show up anymore at similar account suggestions. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. I would appreciate it as well if you can subscribe to the channel. We're trying to build the biggest and best how-to channel here on YouTube. So I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.